friends, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please click on subscribe button, then click on ring bell button so you can get the latest video notification from my channel. In this video we are going to verify our Wix website ownership with the Google WebMasters. Actually, what happened if you have your website and you try to link with your YouTube channel or any other place, you have to verify. They really need to verify you are the real owner for that website. You cannot link any website, you need your own website. So to like say if you have a YouTube channel, the way I do, I have already done, but it took me a long time to figure it out, so I'm just going step by step how you can do. If you are a YouTube channel, you click on your YouTube channel, go to Creator Studio, and Creator Studio left us side, if you see your channel, go to your channel and say advanced. If you scroll down, you need to link your own website. You have to place your website address, and over here they're gonna ask you for verify. If you click on verify and you have to verify, it's gonna take you at a webmaster. Like say I have a verified already, I'm gonna put any other one. So if you try to add, it's gonna ask you to register with this site. You must verify that you own. So what you have to do, you have to click on verify, or you can go to your Google account. It will take you at this spot. There is a two-way to verify. You can go through this step, and I think I found really easy way. What you have to do, you go to alternate method, and at this method you go HTML file upload. You click, and then you go back, add property. You can add your website address, whatever you have. You press on continue, and you will get your HTML meta tag. So then you're gonna copy this one, copy, and you go back to your website. Actually you go to wix.com and you have to log in. So I can go back, I can log out, so you will know what I'm talking about. Over here we have a wix.com. We're gonna log in to my account, and password, you will be logged in. At this screen, if you look at on the left hand side over here, I have a mouse cursor, it says setting. There's another way, but I think that's the latest. It doesn't show here like your site edit or anything, but you gotta go to setting. Once you click on setting, and this side you will see the CEO. So what you're gonna click on CEO, and you will see this screen, and this screen you're gonna say ready to manual add header codes, add a header code meta tags. So what we're gonna click on here, it's gonna take to another page. Once you're here, you will see this box. We're gonna click, you're gonna paste, you can close, you save, and then you can publish your website. Done. You're done over here. You'll go back on webmaster. Over here you're gonna click on verify. It will successfully verify. Now we're gonna go to our YouTube channel, and you will go to Creator Studio, channel, and then advanced. Over here, if you have a right website like the one I have already verified, and your site, I'm gonna copy my link, my website name, and I'm gonna paste over here. If you add, and you have basically what happened, you have to click refresh over here. It's gonna show refresh. You click refresh, it will show success. So same as we have a verified on YouTube, you can do verify your website on any other channel or any other place you need ask for verify. That's the way you can do your website verification with the webmaster. So you can add another property, you can add another website name, and you can verify as many as websites you have. That's the place you will see. But I have tried before. I've seen a lot of videos, but they didn't show this page at the top because my Wix is upgraded their website already, and you don't see any more on the top menu. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.